I've had it up to here. Now here, with Windows 10 automatically adjusting my monitor. So, I luckily came across this piece of advice, and guess what? Well, I should say I was digging through the monitor menu, which this is a Dell monitor. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's on there, believe me. Dell. And yes, it's a lot of dust. I normally can't see it. Anyway, you go down your menu, right? You go to display settings, other settings, and you find this thing called DDC/CI. Now, theoretically, when I disable this, it should work. Right? So Windows 10 should no longer be able to screw with my monitor like it's some kind of ghost tampering with my controls. It's 100 degrees where I am right now, so I'm shutting this video off and turning the air conditioner back on. But if you like this video, if it made you feel good, and if this fixes your problem, now your monitor might be called something else other than DDC/CI. It might be something to do with, I don't know. You'll have to figure it out for yourself. But that should get you to the point where Windows 10 or Windows 11 will stop automatically adjusting your monitor, because it is annoying.